In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Facebook Marketplace messages from PC. If you're browsing Marketplace on a computer and want to keep track of conversations with sellers, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them and how to open a chat thread. First, make sure you're signed in to Facebook.com on your desktop browser. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look over to the left-hand sidebar of the screen. You should see the Marketplace icon there, usually a little storefront. That's where everything related to buying and selling lives. Click Marketplace to open it. This takes you to the main Marketplace hub where you can browse listings and manage your activity. On the left side of this page, there's a navigation panel dedicated to Marketplace tools. In that panel, find and select Inbox. This is the central place where all Marketplace conversations are organized, separate from your regular feed, so you don't have to dig through your general messages to find a seller. Inside the Marketplace inbox, you'll notice different tabs that group your conversations. Choose the Buying tab. The Buying view shows messages for items you've inquired about or replied to as a buyer. This keeps your buyer conversations separate from any selling activity, which is handy if you're both shopping and listing items. Now, open a conversation by clicking on the seller thread you want to review. The chat will appear on the right, showing your message history, any photos tied to the listing, and the item details. From here, you can type a follow-up question, confirm availability, negotiate a price, or arrange pickup or shipping, all without leaving the page. If the seller replies while you're browsing, you'll see new messages appear in real time. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If you don't immediately see Marketplace on the homepage, the left menu may be collapsed or your window might be narrow. Widening the window or expanding the menu usually reveals it. The inbox view may also offer filters such as unread or archived, which help tidy up long conversation lists. And because Marketplace chats are powered by Facebook's messaging system, you'll get notifications just like any other message, so you won't miss a reply. That's all you need to check Facebook Marketplace messages from your PC. Go to Marketplace, open the inbox, select the Buying tab, and click the conversation you want. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.